Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use duplicate cards in roll match. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In roll match, duplicate cards, those you have collected more than once, can be utilized in several beneficial ways. The first thing is on duplicate card stars. Each duplicate card contributes to duplicate card stars. The star value of the duplicate card is added to your total. Open duplicate card chests. Accumulating duplicate card stars allows you to open special chests which contain rewards. These chests are accessible via the chest icon in the top right corner of the collection section. And then number 3 is send to friends. You can send duplicate cards to friends to help them complete their collections. To do this, tap on the card you wish and then select the send option and choose a friend from your list to send it. Number 4 is convert wild cards. Duplicate cards can be converted into tokens. Gold duplicates is worth 25 tokens each. Silver duplicates is worth 5 tokens each. Once you accumulate 200 tokens, you can obtain a wild card which can be used to complete any card set. By effectively managing your duplicate cards, you can enhance your gameplay experience in roll match, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.